Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you can watch how to create a system restore point in Windows 10. So, let's get started. First, go to Start menu and type Create a Restore Point. And you should see like this. Click on it. Generally, we can see like this. But if you see like this, click Configure. Next, click Turn on System Protection. Then, click Apply. Click OK. And click Create. And name the restore point. After that, click Create. Now, I'm creating the restore point. Waited patiently to finish. It's finished. Click Close. So, let's check it out. It's all done. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is useful for you, please like and share.